guys, welcome to my channel. So today, we're here in Bogtong Park Resort. So the slide thing is almost done. The short one is for the children, and the big one it's for adult. So very soon we will finish the project. So still working because I put on the small rock. Cute. We put the rocks one by one. Ay, ilinya din na siya, no? Ay, so one by one. We put them one by one. Abi na kung ibutang na sa siminto, butang nagsiminto, ito maikatag, ay dili di ah. I thought we put the cement first and put next on the top is the rocks and then spread around it, but so it's not. So we put it one at a time. Pila man ka weeks ninyong trabaho? Ay, so this is the whole thing is the whole week. So all right over there, and pag this one too, that one all around. May kadi makatugon mo. Diin ka po ni palitan ng kuana na. Pinalit na eh. Mahal ni no?
Sinako man.
Sinako. Ang saingan ani dong?
Pebbles.
Pebbles. So, nice lagi. Nice kaayo. Tagadiin pud mo dong. Sagbayan. So they're from Sagbayan. So we went to Sagbayan before, Sagbayan Peak. It's a very nice place. Asa man si Sir de Aaron? Tapos lahat. Ay, okay. Unsa man adlaw? So this. So I'm asking where's the owner. He said they're not around here because today it's market day. Asa man tong gadtong babae nga nagbantay dito. Akong adtoon kay aligre ra ba to kayo. So we're waiting for the slide to finish. Yeah, that's good. Yes. So that's a long slide. So cute kaayo. The stone. Cute. Right here, so right there, they put the stone on the steps. Okay naman diha mga dudong. Hindi tapos yung trabaho na mamutang ramag ka ng bato. He said they're getting tired. They're back start hurt. So pila naman ang kaadlaw na yung trabaho diha dudong. One day na. So that's one day from up to the top and right here. Cute pud no. Taga Sagbayan pud mo dong. Taga Sagbayan guys na. They're from all the workers here from Sagbayan. Laoy, mahikap sa slide. Naghuwat jud mi ani ay. Hala, kalamian. Hindot ka ayo, oh. Ay. Sabi ako, I thought it's wet, but it's not. So, this is for children. Oh, adult. It's two the eye, and the other one big. It's a long one.
Hey, hon, I wish you did the first one down the slide.
So, this is the steps going to the pool. Hi!
Tugada na ni mong nimbalik.
Lagi wa mi kabalik atong guan.
Man,
Ha?
ano nga mo kabalik?
Na-busy man mi. Kumusta mong ka ate?
Okay ra gihapon.
Kisa to imongan?
Baby.
Baby. So, her name is Baby. But she have a baby face too.
Lana po nag.
Kumusta man ka?
Okay ra.
Nalagi mga buwak na.
Mo nang gipang tusok-tusokan dia.
Nindot siya. Kani kay pang kuan man ni siya, indoor ba? Para landong.
Balang gipang kuan-kuan din ha. Pero nabuhay na siya.
She's my friend.
What?
My friend. Her
Hi.
name is Baby.
Nice to meet you.
She have a very nice laugh.
I know she did. I heard her downstairs.
Daghan na naligo din he.
Daghan kay ganina, baguhay lang kung
Nanguli.
nagawas.
Wala ginimit sa oras.
Na ay
3 hours. Bitaw tugnaw naman pud no. Tugnaw baya kung pila to'y bayad ani kung magamit ing ani. I'm asking how much the cost if we use this one. Kung birthday,
kung birthday,
magamit mo kinay table.
magamit mo ani.
Kung pananglitan lang ba? Kay baw ka?
Awa na decoration ana ra.
Kami ra yung butang og decoration. Ana.
Pwede raman siguro kay
Or ingana ra gud. Kana di ay naaman na yung mga buwak-buwak sa kilid na naman eh. Ang area lang among gamiton ba ingana.
area.
Oo.
Pwede ra mga
Pila may inyong hatag.
meron siguro kay usahay kasi bulan na nakatinhaw ka na. Basta dili bitaw akan ng mga kanang linan bitaw dili
Oo, ang mga pagkaan. Pagkaon. So we can use this area if you will buy food to the canteen or something. Hala na, lagi mga lingkuranan, no? Pag-ulag yari. So they have new thing here aside from this one, the flowers. Hala ka nice. Limpyo lagi ka inong pool. Inyo nang sigilis. Okay. Kuren? The pool is clean. So, si Ate Baby, she said she clean it every morning. Ay, ito anam na isak ananan dito. They have already.
Kana saka dito.
Ninduta. Oy, modyo na akong gipabot ko. Nahuman na siguro ron ilang kuan. Slide. Ala, nindot lagi. Limpyo kaayo. Kung maligo, tayo mag-swimsuit. Diyon. Ay, makita na itong lawas. I'm asking if we take a swim here. Go for a swim. So, we need, yes, if we can, if it's necessary to wear the swimsuit. Kung short, tara. Kung sleeveless. So you can, pero okay ra lagi kang magpasiksi kagayo. Short. So you can wear short and spaghetti on top. Ay, kanindot. Hala. Nindot. Ikaw nag-maintain anite. Kapugihan mo. Nga naman, limpyo kayong kuan. It's so clean and this kana ninyo laom na. Oh, buntang no kay di init. So, ano na slide.
Go up on the other slide, it's real high.
I look at this.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, it's wide.
It's wide.
Nice.
The other one's not quite as wide, but it's really nice. I bet you fly down that.
Yes, and
That's
when
how long the other one is.
there's a water, it's slippery.
Yeah, the water will come right out the step, bottom of the step.
Ay, okay. I will check. Ay, right here.
Be nice.
Yeah.
Go walk up on the other one.
So
already
this one is
painted
cute. That I really like this.
Isn't the walkway super?
Nice kaayo.
It looks like some type of quartzite stone too.
They said it's
Non-slip.
ay na showeran nan oh.
Don't touch anything. They're painting.
Yeah.
2 showers.
So this is the other one, the other steps, the long one. Bogtong Nature Park. Masaka ko dudong. Okay. Kabuutan gud mo dong. Ay, hello, ika nice in town. Oh,
Behind that seams up there.
yes.
That's pretty nice.
So when you go this, hello, uy.
Fly down that one.
Kanindot. So I can't wait to go slide. So I think next month they will finish it next month. So very nice place. So guys, if you visit Bohol, you can stop by Bogtong Nature Park. This is a very nice place. Fresh air and na may food din he. Tino? Adto sa restaurant. Pero magdarag pagkaon kung mare. Order. So you can buy our food here. They own a restaurant or just like a carinderia. So, and that one's rice fields. Very nice. And there's a cave there, far there. I don't know where is it now. Somewhere. Induta po eh. Daghang kayong tao ganina te. Kada adlaw jud na. Ikapoy kagayo. Okay ra, madara. Naasa ka mo uli ka hapon. Ay, hala kalami intani mo. Kalami mo ba?
Dinhero man ko.
Yes. I'm asking her if she go home every evening. She said we'll sleep over there in the hotel. Nice kaayo. Tagpila po lang mga room te. Minyo ba kuno ka? Minyo ka?
Single.
She's single. Ay, single eh, kate?
Byuda.
Ay, she's a widow. So, yeah, single. Pila imong edad?
Ay.
50?
60 na.
60, she's 60 but looks not 60. Hala, 48. Na minus sa nagdak ko.
Minus sa lugdak.
Yeah, big ko na smile. Ay, mamaot. Ala, kanang pila to yung edad? 60, but ingon akong ba now? Look, 48.
Ano 14?
Oo. Di kay sige magkakatawa.
Ay, makunsa bidag.
Mga magsigkagoon. Ay, Diyos ko. Bita mo. Di ay ka ng bata pa man ka.
Bata. Magkatawa ko na ni mo.
Unsa man di ay? Bata pa bitaw ka.
Bata.
Mura man kag manghod nako.
Manghod ba na?
Lagi. Mo nganhi mi oy lawa pag gid mi ka nganhi.
ingan ka mabalik. Ay, rabatong mabalik. Kawa man din nakabalik.
Na-busy lagi.
Nagtrabaho lagi.
Oo. Sige,
Sige,
miglakaw.
rapapupughat-hat. O mabalik ka. Rabato. Hawa naman dyan mabalik.
Dadan ni ka na kog lambay. Kana mukha kog lambay.
Ay, oo, Roy. Perting lamian.
Magdakay. Kuan man maligo mamidere. Naara man ka kadinhe.
Para makapuro.
Oo. Oo.
Sa Gusbantang na anak ko din.
Na imong pagkaon. An harapon.
Tanda ko din.
Hayahay day ka no. Mo kay dungag no.
Hindi, kumagdangag kayo na. May lang ko sinira.
Nindot no. Buutan pud si Sir no.
Butan na.
Iyang asawa asan wala yo kita.
Diha.
Oh.
Tapos tindahan.
That usla kay. So that area is that's exclusive for if you have party something like that, so you can have that for 200 pesos, and that's a big one and very nice area of very nice view. Indot kaayo. You can look at the rice fields, you can relax while eating. Indot kaayo. And this area is very clean, fresh jud. Kani tanan 200 rane. So 200 pesos, that's a giant place compared to the other. We go for last time we went to the other resort, but there's a big difference. This one it's good, very good. No?
Ilang depresyon na.
Bitawag mga balloons.
Pamutangan nilang mga balon. Ilahang pagkaon.
Naibitaw sa pagkaon. Kalingkod pa dyan. So this one is 100 pesos, very affordable, and the entrance is 50 pesos, and very soon, lights, during the night. Pwede po maligod gabi so they did not accept COVID. So they did not accept. They don't allow the night swimming because of the pandemic, virus. There's a curfew. Kamao kag langoy tino. Di ay mag-practice na ti.
Kamang-kamang lang dito dito. Pero sa ibabaw magkamang-kamang.
I asking her if she can swim. She said no. Dito rano ang kuan. This one is deep. That one is
Kanatin ha. Pwede ra kadha ang kamang-kamang ha.
kay mabaw ra man.
Di man kamang lang oy.
Basta. So,
Ulod ko na magpang.
panglimpyo. And that one, if you go to shower, it's clean. Their bathroom, and they have mirror too. You can look at ourselves in the mirror. Hi, just kaganindot in town. Adto na miti. Na kailan iyang gibati. Nice flower. I like that. Magic rose. Magic rose.
Tusok-tusok na.
Limpyo lagi kaayo, nice kaya. This is my favorite cute kaayo na. Limpyo lagi kaayo te. Na limpyo kagayo. Kung mamingaw na. Wala yung kalinga. Bombel, and that's Bogtong Nature Park. Ato na mete. Pohon, magdakos sa kato akong giingon. Kay ganahan man ka. Pohon, wala yung Ginoo. So, God bless everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy. Have a great day, and we hope to see you again in our next video.